It is that time of year when many people, despite their best intentions, simply eat too much. But Christmas isn't always to blame. For some Canadians, cravings can rule their lives at any time. And now there is growing medical attention on what lies beneath a food fixation and whether it should be treated as an addiction. CTV medical specialist Avis Favreau has more.
You'd never know by looking at his healthy frame that Darren, who doesn't want his face shown, was once seriously overweight. He calls himself a food addict.
I can't explain to you how often I would think about food.
Studies are showing foods can create a high in the brain just like heroin or alcohol.
It may explain why some people really struggle to get their weight under control, and it may explain why some of the programs fail.
Though it's not officially a medical condition, some doctors believe food addiction should be a psychiatric diagnosis.
Part of the problem with the whole obesity epidemic that we're seeing now is because this isn't recognized.
Like Tammy Keddy, she had surgery to reduce her stomach size to help her lose weight, but she still kept eating.
I do feel that I have a food addiction because even after I had the surgery, I still had the same feelings in my head. My stomach was altered, but my mind and my thought patterns were not.
She was diagnosed by her doctor as having a food addiction and is now being treated with counseling. For others, medications may help. Some worry, though, the diagnosis may be overused.
There will be many people who aren't, in fact, suffering with food addiction who will believe that they now have food addiction because they've heard about it as being a real thing. I think it is a small percentage of the population, but for that percentage, a very real problem.
Darren attends Food Addicts in Recovery Anonymous, a support group that helped him cut out all sugar and flour.
My head cleared up. All of a sudden, I could be productive at work. You know, the weight was just gone.
He now eats healthy food and smaller portions, which he says help keep his weight and his addiction in check. Avis Favreau, CTV News, Toronto.